Let's go after it. I just saw a huge ground strike. It was so cool. Now we gotta go after this storm. We got some pretty bad looking sky right down there. I'm gonna head down 164. Sorry, Jay, I am not south of the storm. I'm north of the storm, so, yeah, I can't really, you know, get south of it and stay south of it at this point. But, there it is. Look at it. It's big and bad. And we're gonna go after it. Ooh. There. Storm music playing. There's a lightning flash, I think. I saw some good bolts before, but some bolts ain't striking for the camera. Sometimes if you say that, it makes them come out. This ain't as bad as the last storm I was in. At least, I don't think it is. It wasn't humid enough to be as bad as the last one. But it's good. It makes for good videos. Woo! Huh? Looks like it came down here, for sure. Light over there. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay, puddle. Whoa! Alright. I think I know where I want to go. There's a really cool park in Waukesha that I want to go to right now. Lightning! Okay, active lightning down there. Come on, for the camera. Come on, man. Come on, lightning. Come on, for the camera, please. Please, 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 please. Oh, come on. This would be a perfect golden opportunity. Oh, come on. Big bolt. Oh, it was bolting over there before. Now it's not. Darn. I'm mad. Oh well. Come on, lightning. Come on, I'm facing you now. Come on, lightning. There's one. Come on, lightning. You like my music? My storm music. From my CD called The Flood. It's like a Twilight Zone in storm form. Nice one! Now we're talking lightning here. Lightning! 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 the camera off. Thankfully there wasn't. I'm in Brooksfield. We're behind the storm, in case you're wondering. Isn't this a sick beat? Come on, this is sick. And nobody on YouTube can say there's any copyright issue because it's mine. And people, when I become famous, you can use my songs on YouTube and I won't give a shit. Because I'm nice like that. I'm not going to say there's copyright crap going on. And Sony is not going to own me. Come on, lightning. Sucks. I think it's done. That's the time. That's PM. Obviously, not AM. People are looking at me like, why do you have a camera in your hand? Is that dangerous? That would have been a red light. Ooh, I hope it caught that one. That was cool.